In this video, we're going to see what ADI instruction does. So, the syntax of ADI instruction is ADI and then provide 8-bit data. So, ADI does the same thing as ADD. It basically adds accumulator with another 8-bit data. But in case of add instruction, we always provided a register reference, and then this particular 8-bit value that we've directly provided in case of ADI is included in register, and then we add a plus register. But using ADI, what we can do is we can directly add the 8-bit value with accumulator, and then the result is also going to be saved in accumulator itself. So ADI and ADD does the same thing. This add register is in register addressing mode, while ADI is in immediate addressing mode. That is the only difference with ADI and ADD. Suppose I want to add 12H and 02H. Say I load this particular value 12H in my accumulator. So the second value I don't need to load anywhere. I can just add it with 12H directly. So loading 12H in accumulator, then instead of doing ADD, I can do ADI and then write 02H. What this is going to do is do A plus 12, and then the result will be stored in accumulator, and then terminate the program. So this is how we use ADI instruction. And then the major difference between ADD and ADI is, in case of ADD we provide a register reference, but in case of ADI we directly provide an 8-bit data.